whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on the beach jet plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no pain.
What's up, beautiful people? Hey, today I got some paint to fix on the car, man. So we're gonna fix that real quick. I'm on the phone, so I apologize. I got that going on in the background. But anyways, I'm back. Sorry about that. I was working on something for the phone call, whatever. Anywho, like I said, I'm gonna paint the wing. I want to see how it comes out. Don't laugh. Hopefully it comes out decent. If it doesn't, I will never do this again. But I figured we'd try. I'm not on the EOS R. I am on the T6i. So give me a break because I know y'all probably like, what the hell's going on with that quality, all right? But guess what? This thing downloads a lot faster. I don't have to worry about all that crazy stuff. So this is what we're going to be using today. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, because this is what we're doing today, man. I'll catch y'all on another one. Now we'll probably jump into some time lapses and different stuff today. So, you know, like I said, stay apart. I want to make sure y'all see what I'm doing. Might be little touches, but it's not gonna be that dry, non-painted, ashy looking wing anymore. All right, so that's exactly what I'm trying to get rid of. That kind of look, you know what I'm saying? I don't want this look on it. See how dry and ashy that look? Yeah, that has to go. So that's the plan. Let's see how it turns out, and no regrets. But yo, I can't make this up. It is so damn hot. So I got the first two screws out, 1, 2, which is sitting here in the tray, thanks to my handy dandy drill. So 1, 2, and then boom, I should have another screw right up here, and then the other 2 on the side. So those are the 2 I'm gonna try to take out first. These screws are so damn deep in here, I'm trying not to. You can't shake the hood at all? Or they won't come out. So literally, I gotta be, you know what I'm saying? But I'm good. Got the screw out. That good. And then I have my little magnet tray. Hey, y'all need one of these. If you don't have one, invest. Invest in one of these, man. They are the best, biggest help ever. So I got 2 screws out on this side, 2 screws out on this side. I think I need 1 screw for in here, and that should be it. So let me go get an Allen key and we'll be back. Am I going the right way? Which way is this? Oh, this is black.
Oh no, but you got a bear belly. Little gut going on there, unless you're just poking it out.
Yeah, you don't see a
What are you, gay?
booty. Oh, wait a minute.
His tummy stick out further than his booty do.
That's not even funny. You kiss your mother with that?
No. Just you.
Excuse me. Oops. I took out the screws, right? Alright, so the wing is too difficult to come off. I don't want to mess up the wrap, nor do I want to break something. So I'm going to put a plastic bag over everything, and this is going to be the ghetto cheap painting, and it's going to work. I don't care what nobody has to say. It's my car, and guess what? I'm going to do what I want, okay? But yeah, this is the quickest and easiest way to do it. I don't care that much, man. If I did, I would have taken it to a body shop and do it that way. But no, leave it up to me. Doing a damn backyard Jimmy rig of a paint job here. But it should get the job done. We'll be back in a little bit so I can show y'all exactly how it looks. Here it goes. Absolutely nothing. Man, now we want to act stupid. Don't do this to me. Don't do this. You want to have that smooth, even hand. I want to let y'all know it is right hand. This right hand know what it's doing. That's all I'm going to say. Everything is covered. Go right now. All right, everything is covered, so again, it's looking fine. Alright, this one I don't have the backside covered too good, so let me be ready. I'm out here looking like a damn slave, but it is coming along, guys. It is coming along, right? Look at this. Look way smoother, okay? Way smoother. You can see the reflection coming in there. Got a few more coats. The thicker, let it dry up, right? Let it dry. And then the thicker the coats, the better. But we're getting that shine to it, bruh. We getting that shine to it, my boy. Alright, so like I said, it's decent enough for me. I don't need nothing seriously that crazy. It ain't driving me that crazy, but look, it's good. Then in the future, do it yourself. You do it yourself, man. And then in the future, I'm going to take the caps off, and I'm going to try to get the Chevy emblem purple. Alright, so what I'll do is wrap the whole thing, and I use a surgeon scalpel and just edge it out. I tried to look for somebody who already made color coordinated ones online, but I cannot find them, so I'm not about to reinvent the wheel here. But just trying to stay busy. You know what I'm saying? I like to stay busy. I like to try to work on my car. So this weekend, I'm going to change the brakes. We're going to go with some new brakes on there, and then probably throw the drag radials on as well. Them baby's been sitting there, fresh, clean meats on them. Might as well pull them out and have a little bit of fun. So that'll be the plan. Right now, I'm gonna take a break, go inside. It's hot as hell. All right, y'all. Took my little break. Come on, focus now. Took my little break. Now I'm back. It's coming out pretty good. I can't lie. That's smooth. That's fairly smooth. What y'all think? That is fairly smooth, man. I think that looks good. I think that looks good, but I'm gonna throw one last coat on it, or coat. I'm sorry. I'm gonna throw one last coat on, and then I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna be doing this crap all day. I gotta relax.
I made 100,000 off of tight beats. Me and my niggas, we do it like Nike. She asked me if I'm high, I said I might be. That bitch hitting my phone, wanna bite me. She want my money, I don't think she like me. I like my bitch ass fat, real feisty. Fuck the nigga bitch, not a nigga wanna fight me. That's your bitch, not my fault that she like me. Do it again, riding the Benz, pick up a friend. Don't get the dough, ain't letting them in. Treat her like a 5, but she really a 10. Don't bring the bitch, she ain't bringing a friend. Fuck that little bitch and I treat like my kin. Ain't scratching beef, we ain't making amends. She sucked the dick, I grab her by the chin. They try to shoot the 5 and he die. Ambulance pick him up, he ain't survive. I really rap, so my rap on live. Niggas be capping, he diss me on live. Pull up to his mama house, shoot till she die. Police asking questions, don't know his side. Fuck making peace, I just make sure you fry. Bitch, I'm a demon, just look in my eyes. You gon' go ahead and cry about it, nigga, don't cry about it. Get up and slap about it. My niggas hop out of why and my niggas, we up in the scope. I smoking, you ain't let me know. We in the club with the hoes in. Can't come in the club like my bros in. My niggas getting in bows in. Go to my city, I feel like the Rosen. Just stay in your lane and listen to lame. You know if I catch him, it's off of his brain.
That should be it. This better work. This better be a damn thumbnail. I'm gonna be pissed. Y'all know it took me forever to learn that you could do thumbnails like that on YouTube. Like simple thumbnails. That's all. Let me start cleaning my mess up. And honestly, bruh, I'm donesies. If it worked, it worked. If it don't look good, it don't look good. I don't care. You know why? Cause this is fun for me. It's my car. Something to play around with. Nothing real serious. You know what I'm saying? Little play. And that's all. Actually, let me cut the dog food, pour it into the bucket. I painted some numbers too for my house, so I actually did something productive in the meanwhile, and it came out pretty good. But hopefully it worked. I'm hoping it does. Hopefully this video is long enough. If not, I know I have a few films from couple days ago. I might just add that one on. But look, man, I love y'all. I appreciate the love, the support, and all that good stuff. If you want to collab, photo shoot, you want to do something, let's go hit the city. Let's get wild with it. Let me get on my talk. Let's get wild with it. Let's get into something, twin. Let's get into something real quick, twin. That's how we doing, twin. It feels so weird to say that, but
stop it. Get some help.
But nah, for real. Till next time, guys, I love y'all. I respect y'all. You already know. You're not watching. I stay Josh, and I'll catch you on another vlog. Be safe. There's some creeps out there. And hold your girl. Tell them you love them and you like them, because if they come up on the ZL1, shit, they gone. Peace. Oh, my God. Wow. My bad, y'all. I lied. I left the... Oh, shoot. I left the car out, so I need to put it back real quick, but I'm going to put it in stealth mode, close them pipes, try not to annoy my neighbors, but it's still gonna be loud as hell. That's one thing that sucks. It's always, ooh boy, I look fucking sweaty slave. 1, 2, 3, short and sweet. It's not too bad. That's it. Short and sweet. That's all. Oh, my dumb ass. I meant to put the windows up. I didn't mean to start it again. God damn. I'm annoying as hell, boy. Hey, if y'all don't, I'm telling you, y'all do not want to live next to me. I'm annoying as hell. Shout out to all my neighbors. If any of my neighbors are subscribed, man, shout out to y'all for dealing with me. I love y'all, man. I don't know what I would do without y'all. But have a lot more space and a lot less complaints from the damn HOA.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on the BJ plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise me that we'll always be on the same thing. I won't ever change lanes. Stay down, gotta maintain. Is you down for the ride? Whoa. We could be like Bonnie and Clyde. Whoa, whoa. I wanna take you for a ride, but I need you by my side. Copy PJ, let's go fly here. It's